rapid. I just noticed it said rapid. Yeah, I was just, with the door being open, I had it at 50% on the last video. That's at 100% rapid. Alright, well here is the lathe. I mean, I can do the tool changer. Obviously, I mean the spindle. That's 1,000 RPMs. Max out at 2,000 RPMs. Yeah, I guess a HAAS, and that's that. Yeah, I mean everything works fine. Everything's. And there's the screen. Yeah, there's the screen on it. Yeah, I don't know. That's about it, I guess. Obviously, I turned the coolant off. This is just a program I had in here before with no material in there, obviously, doing it. I have it at 50% rapid just so. Since I have the door open and everything. Just doing a cleanup pass on the material that I was running on here. With some round 4140 we were doing, just a spacer on there. It was drilling a hole through. Yeah, like I said, I have it on 50% rapid. Just parting it off, and then it kind of diverts the back end and then parts it off. And it takes a cleanup cut on the back of the material just to get the lip off for the next part to be run. That's pretty much it. I hope I did a good job of taking that video. I'll walk back and get you a thing of the serial number. serial number or whatever. And then let's go see. I know on there it has the hours on there. Hold on. Feed time, total time, usage.